Handa na ang San Miguel Beermen na idepensa ang kanilang korona ngayong 42nd PBA Season Philippine Cup. Pero aminado si head coach Leo Austria na magiging mahirap sa kanila ang depensa, lalo't malalakas din ang haharaping koponan. Si teammate Maria Isabel Reyes para sa detalye.
Kung si San Miguel Beermen head coach Leo Austria ang tatanungin, masasabi niyang handa na ang Beermen na sumabak sa 42nd PBA Season Philippine Cup at idepensa ang corona ngayong conference. Gayunpaman, naniniwala si Austria na hindi magiging walk in the park ang kanilang title defense.
Well, it's a matter of pride, and what I've seen from this team, they want to win another championship because we know what at stakes. This is a third consecutive title, so that means there's a perpetual trophy. And they know the importance of the All Filipino. This is the most prestigious conference, and we have an advantage because of Junmar. But we're not solely rely on him, and I want the team, everybody, to contribute. Dahil this is a team sports, so we have to play as a team, both on offense and defense.
Sasandal ang Beermen kay 3-time PBA MVP Junmar Fajardo at sa mga veterans gaya ni Arwin Santos, Alex Cabagnot, Marshall Lassiter, Chris Ross at iba pa. Susubukan ng Beermen na sungkitin ang kanilang ikatlong sunod na corona para sa three-peat at perpetual title. Noon lamang linggo nagwagi ang Beermen kontra revamp Star Hotshots, pero ilang players ang hindi kinikitaan ng aksyon sa laro. Ipinaliwanag naman ni Austria ang dahilan sa likod ng short rotation.
Well, so far they keep on adjusting to the system because they came from different coaches in the amateur, and they don't have enough time to gel with the team. But for sure, in the future, in the near future, they will be the part of the rotation, and we saw some potential from them. And I think malapit na makasama sila dahil they have to adapt to our system.
Kumpiyansa naman si Austria na makakaya nilang ma-overcome ang pressure. Lalo't sila pa rin ang tinuturing ng ibang teams na team to beat ngayong conference.
Well, para doon sa mga person, just keep on watching and praying and supporting the team dahil itong mga players na ito is really preparing hard to get another championship, especially the All Filipino. We know na you're really rooting for the team because of what happened in the team in the past two conferences.
Sa susunod na Miyerkules, susubukan ng Beermen ituloy ang kanilang winning start kontra Phoenix Fuel Masters. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.